Here's how to put the new ring on. You can see the bottom ring here. I'm just rolling that down from the top. And the top ring, I'm just going to roll that top ring down. So, to give you a better idea of how to do it, this bottom one here, we just roll it down. Maybe so, maybe not. There it goes. It's not easy. Looks like it's in there mostly. There. Now the bottom one has been rolled in, as you can see right there. Make sure it's not flopped over or inside out. To do that, the ring should look symmetrical, the O-ring, and you should be able to roll it a little bit. That one looks good. Now what's left is the top ring. Here's the top one. Try and roll this one on there too. I'm going to put the end in to catch it and roll it on. That one rolled on easy. So this filter assembly is now ready to go back in the Mercedes. There's one more ring we got to do, which is this big ring that goes on this thing. I'm looking for it. Don't see it. Where did they put it? Okay, they got that ring right in the middle. I look at that one and I say, do I really want to deal with that ring? So that's the last ring. Here's the new O-ring right here. So let's put a screwdriver on this O-ring and get it off. So it goes right in the middle here. This could break something. Let's see how it works out. Comes right off. So that O-ring comes off with a screwdriver, no problem. Let's get the new one. Put it on the front. Over the filter. And now, how do we get it over the threads? Good luck with that. I'm just going to pass it on the threads. Well, I think with this one, I can't do the camera and the O-ring, so I apologize. You have to assume that we got it on. I'm just going to pass it down over these threads, back to where it goes right there. Okay, thanks for watching.